What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach and Chase. We're out here in Colorado, and we'd like to make an announcement. Attention, Summit County, Vail County, Eagle County, and the Rocky Mountains here in Colorado. All of you homeowners out there, we are your one-stop shop for everything technology related that you need for your home. But in particular, today, we are going to be talking about Lutron lighting, one of the OGs in lighting control. We even have fixtures like the automated shades from Lutron featured in this house. In particular, today, Chase is our regional sales manager here and is putting Lutron into these houses left and right. We just wanted to make you guys aware that we're here and we offer the full lineup. We have the Lutron lighting solutions, shade solutions, and their fixtures, etc. Chase, talk a little bit about lighting control.
Yeah, so every time I move, this is the first thing that happens in a house.
Yeah.
I'm sure it is for you now too, right?
Right after Wi-Fi.
Oh, Wi-Fi.
It's Wi-Fi lighting shades.
Yeah. So you walk into a house, you hit a light switch, no matter what time of day it is. It's an LED on 100%. It's harsh.
Horrific.
Yeah.
Once you've been spoiled, you're like, why?
Or you go,
Why is this happening?
or the compromise is this LED's too bright. Let's put in a bulb. And then you're in the kitchen, you're trying to see, you can't see anything, right? You don't have that flexibility in the space, you're stuck. That's where Lutron comes in. That's where we like Lutron to light, because not only are they the most rock solid light control platform, but they have the most robust control. All the competitors will tell you we get down to 1%. Well, that's your programmer doing that, right? So when those dimmers aren't sensitive enough, I may, and I have this a lot in other lighting systems, where 25% is 1%. Right?
Yes.
And then 100% is right. So then our scale is a lot smaller.
Yeah.
It feels tactilely like you're at 1%, but you're really not. You're like 20% of the light's capacity. The Lutron dimmers get down to 1%, and that's not a joke. You can, and these are visible glows.
Yes.
So you say 1, 2, 3%. It's a visible difference.
I mean, as an example, if I were to run some of my nighttime scenes, because I have about 10 scenes that run throughout the whole day automatically, just that match my lifestyle. If I were to put on a nighttime scene during the daytime, you wouldn't even be able to tell most of my lights are on.
No.
Whereas in the nighttime, a lot of them just look like little candles.
Yeah.
It's just like the softest little glow all around the house, but it adds to the vibe. It makes you swear like that, the vibe, the energy that it creates in your home is invaluable.
And like you brought up in previous video, your circadian rhythm.
Yeah.
If you wake up in the middle of the night, you try and use the restroom, you get blasted by a bright white LED at 100%, you're not going back to sleep for an hour if you're lucky. Whereas we wake up, I've got Josh AI in my house comboed with Lutron lighting, and I'm able to say nightlight or just text my phone nightlight or hit a button like you would, and I get a nice candle lit glow. I've got just my floor lighting and then just some glow lighting in the bathroom that allows me to wake up, see properly, and I can open up my eyes, because I remember before I'm walking in my bathroom in the middle of the night and trying
not to let the light in your eyes so you don't wake up. Yeah.
And that's just been removed from my shoulders. Now it's just seamless. Any time of day, the light matches what it should, theoretically, for health. So not only are we talking about energy savings here, not only are we talking about your health savings here, but we're just talking about the general atmosphere, as you were saying.
It's a vibe.
Yeah.
And really, at the end of the day, that's what it comes down to, especially with the addressable RGB. So whether it's Halloween, like we're coming up on here soon, Thanksgiving or Christmas, or I don't care if it's Easter.
Yeah.
Or you want to turn your house into a nightclub.
We're talking full color spectrum. Anything you want.
Yes.
And not like a preset 12 option on an LED remote. We're talking any color you can pick. On a color wheel, you find it, we'll make it happen on that light.
Literally, on a color wheel. Then let's throw up some B-roll from your experience down at CET Denver. They have a bunch of different light fixtures, all RGB, completely addressable. We go through in videos with them, which that is an experience center. What you guys are seeing on screen right now is a place that you can visit. You can fly in from anywhere around the country or the world and pick out the products and experience these products firsthand for yourself. Pick out fabrics, touch and feel.
Yeah, get your hands on it. Experience it. That'll inspire you, even if you're not sure. Just get in front of it. I know it's hard when you hear, hey, well, the lighting bill is going to be this much. And you're like, well, Why wouldn't I just use the light switches I always have? Come experience.
You have to experience. You have to experience. It's something that we're going to try, like in this video, to explain to you, and we're going to show like lights going up, lights going down, shades being adjusted. We tried to show off the Ketra lighting and RGB addressable lights, whether it's linear lighting, fixtures, or just old school classic bulbs or can lights.
We have a chandelier with 140, 150, something like that, addressable bulbs.
It was pretty wild.
Yeah.
Specifically set up as a demo scene.
Yeah. And that was used through Ketra's Retrofit light bulbs, which allows you to pick your own fixture out and then us to still bring that into your system. So it's not an end-all.
Yeah, so let's talk about that a little bit, guys. I'm sure a lot of you guys are watching this video and you're either in one of three phases. Either you have a home and you just are sick of the sun beating in and you're ready for an upgrade. Great, call us. We have retrofit solutions that are... Now the batteries are getting really good.
We're talking
rechargeable batteries.
Years on some models.
That's what they say. We'll see how that goes. We'll be reporting back on that performance, but years. And mine, in my own home, I've already been in the home a couple years and I've had to charge them. I have the Screen Innovations one that have a magnetic charging port. So I just stick it, let it charge, and you're done. Gone are the days of 10D batteries. Now they have rechargeable options. So that's where our selection is going to be different depending on your solution. So customer number one has an existing home, needs some upgrade. Another very common one is going to be retrofit solutions where, we have a homeowner bought an amazing lot and he's just ripping it down to the studs and wants to redo it. I look at that the same as new construction, which is my third topic. New construction and retrofit situations where we're doing a remodel is the perfect time. The perfect time, guys. It literally will cost you pennies on the dollar to get us involved now if you're in that phase, versus I can't tell you how many homeowners they say, I don't know if I'll ever really want it, so conversation stops there. They're like, I don't really think I would. And then 3 years down the line, maybe it's 3 months down the line, that customer calls us and then we're having to break the bad news that it cost a fortune to get that wire in place.
Because
we do have that one thing in that he could have added in down, in the initial design phase. So we're handling design, we're handling management of trades, we're handling installation of all of our gear, as well as service. Guys, we want to be here long term. Dreamedia has already been around 12 years and we've established ourselves as a nationally recognized brand with our online store and leading YouTube presence. But now we want to take it a step further with that white glove, boots on the ground service. Do you have something you wanted to add in, Chase?
Yeah, back when we were at pre-wiring, I get it. The labor bill on the pre-wiring. Everyone tries, they go, okay, well, we're up to specs for today, right? You want to be pre-wiring for at least 10, 15 years in the future.
Yeah.
If you're not sure you want shades, it costs next to nothing with the cost of the whole home to just drop the wires, have them hidden in the wall, just in case. Because while we do have wireless solutions that help us tackle any problem, that starts to get pricey pretty quick if all of a sudden everything's a retrofit, right?
Yep.
So that's something I like to say. Don't wire your house for today. Wire it for you in 10, 15 years.
Exactly.
Yeah, don't pull the standard for cable that barely gets by with 4K video today. Go ahead and pull the future.
Exactly.
And then as your home moves, it's not a big deal to upgrade the home at that point.
Yep.
If you're stuck with a Cat 5 cable in a house you built today, good luck. We're pulling in standard Cat 6 minimum.
Cat 6 minimum.
Yeah. And a lot of our homes, at least for access points and T locations, we're running Cat 8 wire.
And even fiber.
Yeah.
If you want to go above and beyond, if you don't have to worry about that house for the next 20, 30 years, just drop fiber. We got fiber data, we got fiber HDMI. We have solutions. Whatever you guys need, we have you covered as your technology specialist here in Colorado. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative and helping you make a buying decision, as well as giving you some inspiration. Look at this gorgeous home, these gorgeous products that we get to play with. If you guys like this video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach and Chase. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.